Everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics and Magic. Today we'll discuss question number 16 of chapter 3 of class 11 NCERT book, exercises 3.5. So according to the question, it is said that there are two trees A and B. They make an angle of 45 degree inside on a river, and then C be the point of contact. Then the distance from A to C is 250 and from A to C to B is 300 meter. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of AB. What is AB? The distance between the two trees on the river, at the bank of the river. So now what we will do? We have to first observe, and what we get after observing that it is a triangle form. The formation of this particular information ultimately gives you a triangle. So what we know, in case there is a triangle and not any other information is given, so what we can do, we can just do only one thing. We can go for cosine rule, because sine rule, it is only showing the ratios between the angles and the sides. Here in the cosine rule, it covers many other things. So what it covers? It covers that AB square, this is a triangle, AB square equals to AC square plus BC square minus twice AC into BC into cos 45 degree, and this 45 degree is given in the question. Now this is 250 square, 300 square, 2 into 250 into 300 into 1 by root 2. So ultimately, if we calculate these two, if we add 15,200, sorry, 1,52,000 to 575,000, then into root 2. So ultimately, putting the value of root 2 equals to 1.44, then we can get the value. The value actually we get, it is equals to 44500. Okay, now we have to find out the value of AB, because this is AB square. So what will be the value of AB? How can we find out? We have to go for the 44500 LCM by 2, that is 2, then it is 2, then it is also 2, then 155, it is 0, then again divided by 2, it will be 111, then 2 and 5. So your answer will be, that is ultimately what happened here, root over 4 into 11125. So we can take this 4 outside of the root 2 root 11125 kilometer. If you are keeping the answer like this, it is also okay.